The new iPad Air is the entry point to most of Apple's premium tablet features, and it's similar to the previous generation iPad Pro tablet in more than a few ways. First off, the Air screen is now 10.5 inches versus the 9.7-inch displays found in older Air models. It also cribs the older Pro's True Tone display, which automatically adjusts its color temperature to the ambient lighting in your workspace. The smart connector found its way to the Air as well, which makes it easy to connect one of Apple's keyboard accessories. Like the cheaper iPad options, the Air is still limited to the first generation Apple Pencil that charges via its Lightning port. And while many features found in the older iPad Pro made their way to the new Air, the quad speaker setup did not. The Air has 2 speakers. If that's bothersome, you should consider checking out Apple's slightly older 10.5-inch iPad Pro, which has 4 speakers and a ProMotion display that has a faster refresh rate. So, as long as you're alright with an older processor, you'll save a good amount of money. The iPad Air has an A12 processor, 3 GB of RAM, and starts at 64 GB of storage. A 256 GB option is $150 more. In performance benchmarks, the new iPad Air runs circles around the 9.7-inch iPad. CPU and graphics performance are both between 75% and 100% faster, depending on the test. It's a difference you can really feel when running intensive tasks like gaming or video editing, though normal everyday activities like email and web browsing are already so fast you won't notice much of an improvement. Let's not forget that the A12 has Apple's second-generation neural engine to speed up machine learning and AI computation, while the A10 has none. The battery lasts a lot longer, too. In our Geekbench battery rundown test, the regular iPad ran for 6 hours 8 minutes while the new Air ran for 8 hours 19 minutes, 35% longer. On the other hand, compared to more affordable iPad options, the new iPad Air is the most capable tablet in terms of features. It runs on the same A12 Bionic processor found in the new iPad mini, iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, and iPhone XR. As such, it should remain a fast-performing tablet for several years to come. And, starting at $100 more than the new iPad mini.